In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a dashed line in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height to create a simple practice canvas. After the blank canvas opens, go to the left side menu and click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type line and press enter. Click on the basic straight line and it will appear on your canvas. Select the line by clicking on it. At the top toolbar, look for the line style or stroke style option. Click this option and you will see different line patterns. Choose the dashed line style and your solid line will change into a dashed line. You can also adjust the line thickness, color and length using the toolbar settings. Drag the ends of the line if you want to make it longer or shorter. Finally, review your design and click Share and then download to save your project.